Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the following differential equation xy prime plus 2y is equal to x cube y4. Note that this is the Bernoullis differential equation because of this extra term y to the power 4. Then how to solve this Bernoullis equation? We'll divide both sides by this extra term y4. So by doing that, we have x y to the power minus 4 y prime plus 2 y to the power minus 3 is equal to x cube. Then we'll make a substitution. Y to the minus 3 is equal to u. So let y to the minus 3 is equal to u. So then we have minus 3 y to the minus 4 is and into y prime is equal to u prime. So y to the minus 4 y prime is u prime by 3. So by substituting, we have x u prime by 3 plus 2u is equal to x cube. So by simplifying, we have u prime plus 6u by minus x is equal to x cube into 3 by minus x. So note that here we get a first order linear ODE. I have already made a video on how to solve first order linear differential equation. I will give the link in the description box. You can check from there. So now coming back to the problem, here this differential equation of the form u prime plus px u is equal to ux. So how to solve this equation? So it's solved by finding integrating factor. So integrating factor is e to the integral px dx. And what is px? Is nothing but minus 6 by x. So minus 6 by x dx is equal to e power minus 6 ln x. So that is exactly ln x to the minus 6. So it is ln x to the minus 6. So it is nothing but x to the power minus 6. So by multiplying integrating factor to the both side of 1, we get ddx of u x to the minus 6 is 3x cube by minus x into x to the minus 6. So by simplifying, this will be minus 3x to the minus 4. So u x to the minus 6 is integral 3x to the minus 4 dx. So by integrating minus 3x to the minus 3 by minus 3 plus c, which is x minus 3 plus c. So u will be x to the 6 into x to the minus 3 plus c, which is x cube plus 3x6. And what is u? U is nothing but y to the minus 3. So the general solution is y to the minus 3 is equal to x cube plus 3x6, which is the required answer.